Thanks, Joe, for coming. So nice to see you again. I know you did come and did a demo at one of our events in the past. And I'm so fascinated by your business model. You're a fund of funds. Can you tell me what that means in the crypto world?
Sure, absolutely. So BitBull Capital is the first cryptocurrency fund of funds. What it means is that we're not a hedge fund. So there's about 140 plus crypto hedge funds. What we do is we do diligence on these hedge funds. We meet with them in person. We understand their security practices. We understand their strategy. And we've put together a basket of the hedge funds that we believe will return strongly. And that's what BitBull Capital is. It gives you diversification, gives you access to closed funds and funds with a high minimum for one low minimum and consistent diligence.
And so people would invest in your fund, but you're already pulling the funds out of different hedge funds. Is that how it works for my simple brain?
That's absolutely right. So you put your money into BitBull and we put it into 7 very exclusive funds with diverse strategies. And while Bitcoin performed at about 1,400%, active management in cryptocurrency performs better than just buying Bitcoin. And the BitBull portfolio funds, the goal is to perform even better. So our portfolio funds performed on average at 3,800% last year.
Fantastic. Wow. And tell me, what do you see the future as? I've been like banging the gong for Bitcoin since 2008, and I'm just so pleased that there's now a real shift in awareness by ordinary people. What do you think is going to happen now?
Yeah. So one of the things everyone's talking about is how January started at 14,000 for the price of Bitcoin, and today we're at 11,000. Actually, on the BitBull Capital webpage, we just posted research that shows that this same drawdown happened at the same exact time the last 2 years. This 35% drawdown took about 60 days for the price to recover. So I think we expect a similar thing to happen, and that's due to profit taking. Many of us have been in since before Bitcoin was 1,000, and also just due to this seasonality and what we saw the last couple years. And there's some data on the website as well that people can check out.
And how long do you think it'll be before it becomes just part of the system, basically, rather than something novel and trending?
One of the key stories for me is not only is Bitcoin becoming part of the system, so I think throughout this year, as we see the large wall of institutional capital unfolding, there will be more and more transactions as Bitcoin fixes its protocol, the cost and the speed of transactions with the Lightning protocol. But the other half of the story is there's other things that crypto assets are doing. They're doing identity management. They're doing other sorts of payments. They're doing decentralized computing. So I'm very excited for the promise of the blockchain and applying it to other industries as well.
Yes, I'm a bit mad keen on the blockchain and the music industry, so I'm going to have a conference on that soon.
Oh, wow. I would look forward to that conference. Yeah, that's awesome.
I think
That's
a lot
awesome.
of people will.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for coming. And,
Thank you, Pamo.
I think it's going to be a fabulous panel.
I'm really looking forward to this. Thank you, Pamo. Appreciate it.